Yeah. Wow. Must be a lot of bees in there. Wow, look at the liquid. Look at that. I think they're getting the liquid. So I think. But there's like a good strong colony there. Again, this was a small colony going into winter. It looks like they might could do with some more sugar, don't you think? Oh. Tupperware. Again, you single guys, you're good. Or the single people, those who have significant others, and well, make sure you return the sugar, the Tupperware, I mean, back to the kitchen sugar. Ha! Oh, there. Dooby 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 doo. Has to be a way to put this stuff in. I think I made this too thick. Stuff here and this. Come on, girls. Trying to get this down in here so they can, so I can get it out of my freezer, basically, in a nutshell. There you go. Put this back on here. Ready to close her up. Try not to squish any bees. Look at that, Puff.